you've been trying to stay composed and silent all this time. Pero, merong isang tao dito na naniniwala sa'yo. And if you're seeing this message around December 3 to December 13, this is your love reading. What I see here is, you don't believe in yourself. But, itong tao na to, nakikita niya sa'yo yung potential and all. So, I'm not talking about someone na talagang nag-i-spy sa'yo, hindi ganun yung level niya. But this is like an intellect na, you know, instantly, na meron kayong connection, and it's a matter of decision na kailangan mong pag-aralan bago mo piliin. For some of you, I see here a commitment from other person. So, pwede meron ka ng karelasyon or you have someone in your life but you met this person. Okay, so we're not talking about third parties here, but we're speaking about a soul contract na hindi mo pwedeng iwasan or i-deny. Not because gusto mo lang, pero this is something that you cannot avoid. Unavoidable tong situation na to. Since you have someone in your life, I feel like very scattered yung mind niya right now, or baka hindi siya nakakatulog kakaisip sa'yo. So, I see you have a commitment with someone else. Pwedeng kasal ka na, or meron ka na talagang someone, or may nauna sa kanya. Tapos, dumating siya sa buhay mo unexpectedly. Parang you meet this person in wrong situation or wrong time. I'm not saying na all sa situation kasi nga, masaya ka naman, you are happily married, or you are happy in your relationship. Pwede rin, masaya ka na ngayon, tapos, biglang may tao na darating dito at ipapatunayan niya sa'yo na merong kulang sa relasyon mo ngayon. That's why you seek clarity and you don't understand yourself lately. Kasi you've been thinking about this person for so long, and that's what I'm trying to say, because we have soul contract that we cannot avoid. And whether we like it or not, kahit committed ka na sa iba or kasal ka na, meron talaga tayong mga soul contract na kailangan nating harapin because they serve a purpose in our life, not necessarily to hurt us, but to help us grow. And depende siya sa situation. Yung iba, nag-serve siya ng purpose for you to grow. Yung iba naman, para magdala siya sa'yo ng meaning sa life mo. So, I see here a celebration. From the start, this person was like, wala akong care, parang hindi naman nagmamatter sa akin. I know that you are committed. Alam ng tao na to na committed ka na sa iba. Kaya, tinatry niya yung best na iwasan ka or i-neglect yung feelings niya for you. Pero,